Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. From my last video, it was a video on how to clean and organize my TV stand, and on that video I showed you on how to decorate this artificial planter or clear vase, whichever name you can call it. So on today's video I'm going to show you how you can decorate these three clear glasses. As you can see, there are three. One, two, three. You can use it as a candle holder. Unfortunately, I don't have candles, but you can use it as a candle holder. And I'll show you a picture on how you can use it as a candle holder. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can style it, like how you can style that glass to match the aesthetics aesthetics of your home, or just to decorate your home. So I'm going to show you how you can decorate the three glasses. So stay tuned and let's get right onto this. I have these crystal balls. If you watched that video, I hope you saw it. These are crystal balls that we are going to use. And also we have this cheers. We have these colored stones or decorative stones. You can call them colored stones or decorative stones that I got from House of Leather and Gifts. Yeah, in case you need something like this, in case you need these colored stones, you can get them from House of Leather. So yeah, I really love how they're soft, they're not rough. Yeah, so we're going to use this, and also we are going to use these roses. It's artificial, it's not planted, natural, so it has no smell. But yeah, we are going to use this. Actually, we are going to use three of them. And also we are going to use, these are white stones. I decided to put them in here. So these are the materials that we are going to use to decorate the glass. And also I've forgotten, we're going to use water. We're going to use water. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm a joker. So we are going to start with this one here. It's 20 centimeters in height. As I told you from my last video, I'm selling these clear vases. So in case you're interested in this clear vase, you can reach me out. Yeah, I'm just showing you ways in which you can decorate them. Yeah, so we are going to start with this, and I'm going to show you three different ways in which you can style. You can choose to have one design for the three glasses, or you can just choose to have the three designs for sijui kama mnaniget. But yeah, I hope you understand. Yeah, so we're going to start with this one. So for this one, we're going to place these stones, this one, I think that is enough. And then we're going to place this. We're going to place, so the purpose of these stones is to hold these rolls. So we're going to place it this way so that it doesn't fall. As you can see, this is how it looks. Then after this, you're going to put in water. You can put in water, or you can just leave it that way, just depending on how you will like it to be. So let's put water and see how it will look. So this is how it looks with water full inside. And then another process, this one I'll show you at the after I have made all of them. You can place a tea light candle. It's a small candle. You can place it here and light it up. I'll show you at the end after I've made the whole of them. Yeah, so for the first one, this is how it looks, and I think it looks good, right? Comment down below on what you think about this one. It looks nice. So in place of this, if you don't have the decorative stones, you can use white stones. It's not a must that ikue decorative stones. If you don't have the decorative stones, you can use white stones, it will still look nice. Or just stones. It's not even a must that ikue white. Si lazima ikue white. You can just use stones. And yeah. This next one, it's 18 centimeters. It's 18 centimeters. Let me show you what I was trying to tell you from the previous, that you can place inside the white stones, and then you can place inside the roses. So this way, then you place the rose this way, then you fill in with water, or you can decide to put water or not. If you have a candle, you can fill it the water so that the candle can float on top, but you can still leave it this way. So yeah, let's put water and see how it looks. And this is how it looks with the water inside. So you can choose to place water, or you can omit the water part. It's not a must. And then this one you can place in the crystal balls. As you can see, these are the crystal balls. You can place them inside. Ooh. This way. And then yeah, so after placing the crystal balls, you place in the red rose. Look at how that looks. It looks nice. So for this one, I don't think if you can place water, because if you place water in the crystal balls will not show. The crystal balls will not show. So I can advise you to leave it this way as it is, and yeah, it looks nice. Yeah, and so guys, this is how they look. As I was explaining to you, as I was explaining, I was saying you can decide to have all the three of them matching, looking this way, like the way this one looks. You style your home, all of them to look like this one, or all of them to look like this one, or all of them looking like this one. So let's try and put candles, tea light candles. I have tea light candles here. As you can see, they are so small. They're called tea light candles. So let's try and put them on top and see how they turn out. Yeah, so this is how they look. Let me place on top, then record for you, because it cannot be seen, like haiwezi onekana poa juu of this whole light, but let's see, and let's put and see how it will look. And this is how they will look at night. And so guys, thank you so much for watching, and let's meet on my next video. Bye.